Dr. Inch here, welcome back to my kitchen. What we're going to do today, we're going to make a model of the lungs. Very simple, all we need, a plastic container of some sort. So I've got a plastic cup here. You can use a plastic bottle, I'll show you that in a minute. We need two balloons, one to represent the lungs and one to represent the diaphragm. We've got a straw. I'm using a disposable straw here, but you can use a renewable straw or a reusable straw, but I'll show you that as well. Some elastic bands to attach the balloon to the straw and some plasticine. So the cup is going to represent our rib cage, the straw is our trachea, the one balloon, or the first balloon, is our lungs, the second balloon is our diaphragm, and then all we've got is some elastic bands to attach everything together. Right, so the first stage is to get a hole into the bottom of the cup. I've used a screw. I did heat it up a little bit and I've just made a hole in the bottom of the cup. It's not a brilliant cup to use because it has cracked, but that should be fine because I should be able to seal that with my plasticine. So next up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to thread the straw through the hole, just so I know that it goes all the way through, and I'll put it all the way down because I'm going to pull that back up in a minute. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the balloon to the straw. We've got to be very careful that we don't squeeze the straw too much, because then we're just going to restrict the breathing of this model or this person. Okay, so make sure that's on there nice and tight. I just want it to be sealed and not come off. So if we pull that back up and through, we now have one lung in a cup. What I need to do now, I need to get that sealed. So I'm going to put a layer of plasticine over the top, make sure that everything is nice and secure and sealed and no air can escape. If you haven't got plasticine, you can use blue tack or anything like that. So that looks to be very nicely done now. Right, so now the diaphragm, all I've done is I've cut that bit off the balloon, so the top part. So I'm just left with the bottom half of the balloon, which I'm going to stretch. I'm going to put over and seal my rib cage. So what I need to do, I need my assistant to hold it for me. You might need somebody to help you with this. It is quite tricky. We stretch it and we get it over the top like that, and there we go. There is our diaphragm in place. Another elastic band just to hold it secure, but that should work a treat. Okay, so there we are. There is our lung in our rib cage, attached to our trachea, ready to go. As you'll remember, the lungs are quite passive when it comes to breathing. It's all down to the diaphragm. So when the diaphragm contracts, it goes down. As you can see, the lung inflates. When you breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes and the lung deflates. Inflate, deflate, inflate, deflate, inflate, deflate. Okay, try that for yourself. I have done it here with a bottle. Again, you can see it deflate, inflate, deflate, inflate, deflate, inflate, deflate. And that is exactly how your lungs work. Try that, see what you think. I think you'll enjoy it because that is so cool. See you next time in my kitchen. Thank you very much.